Hi everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. In today's card making project I'm using this die. It's like a border die, and I'm using this cardstock which is 4 by 3 inches, and I did the die cut on the edge of the card. Then I'm going to use all this pattern paper and everything and this ephemera and make a beautiful card with that. So let's have fun. Now I'm going to use this A2 size card and I'm going to adhere it. The pattern paper which I'm going to use is also again another nice beautiful color. It's like a refreshing color, so I'm going to use that. Then I'm going to use this another cardstock. I'm putting double-sided foam tape, and then I'm going to adhere it on the base card. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, click on the bell button and turn on the notification so you can see the new videos whenever I post it. Now I am sticking this focal point in the center of the card. And I'm also sticking all the other elements along with that. And for the sentiment I'm using double-sided foam tape, and I'm going to adhere it again on the bottom of the card. Now I'm putting the sequence. Usually I add the sequence in the end of the card, so that will be like my finishing touch. So now that it is almost finished, I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you like it, please subscribe, click on the bell button and turn on the notification on, and you can also share it with your friends. You can see the close-up picture of this card in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next video with a new project. So have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.